how to download all Google Photos to computer. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to of course open our browser, and then on the search bar just search for google.com. Once you do that, we're going to click on the upper right corner of the screen and then click your profile icon. After that, make sure that you are logged in into your account and then click manage your Google account. Once you do that in this part, go here on the left screen and then click Data and Privacy. Once you do that, just scroll down and then look for the content saved from Google Services. So just click that one right there. And then in this part, just scroll down until you see Photos. So in this part, this is where it is located. So just click the download button in this part. After that, you will be redirected into Google Takeout. So all you have to do is to make sure that Google Photos is selected into the select data to include. And then after that, just click next step. And then in this part, just choose where you want to transfer the link. So I'm going to click via email right here. And then for the frequency, it's either you want to export it once or export it every 2 months for 1 year. But I will just leave it as it is. So it's really up to you. And then for the file type and size, for the file type, I will just leave it as the zip file. But if you want to change it to TGZ, it's also up to you. And then for the file size, if you want to change it, maybe let's say for example 50 gig or 10 gig, it's up to you also. So I'm going to choose 10 gig right here, and then I'm going to click create export. After that, as you can see, this process can take a long time. So all you have to do is to wait for Google to create a copy of your photos. And then after that, let's say for example that you have been waiting for about 24 hours now. So what we're going to do here is to just go back into Photos. So click Photos right there, click on the download, and then you should now be able to see this your latest export. So just click manage export right here, and then you will now be able to see that it is completed. So click on that and then just click the download button, which is right here. After that, just put your password to verify that it is really you. And then as you can see, this is now our file. So if we click the open file right here, you will now be able to see all of the photos that you have uploaded into your account. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to download all Google Photos to computer.